So what kind of phone Oppo A76 is? They have put a price tag of rupees 36,999 in Pakistan. In this video, I'm going to give you my feedback on the battery and performance of this phone, and of course I will include the camera samples as well, so you know what kind of phone this phone actually is. But before we move on, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon if you're here for the first time. First we see what content we have inside the box. The first thing I noticed on Oppo A76 is that it has a great battery life, and by great I mean it can really last longer. The 5000 mAh battery is good on Wi-Fi and 4G both and drops very decently. And the good thing is that it has a 33 watt VOOC supercharger that refills it at a faster rate. Let's see this pattern in our battery test. You can see that a 5-minute charge can give us a 10% battery, and in 10 minutes it doubles it. But it slows down after this, and as you can see the whole battery gets loaded in 1 hour and 13 minutes. This is almost similar time we noticed on Realme 9i recently. A76 charged 1 minute earlier. Now let's find out how long backup it can give us. I usually do this test by running videos in a loop. I have fixed the brightness as 50% and volume through headphone is at full. And as you can see, it gave us a backup of 16 hours and 21 minutes, which is a good performance I think. I also tested Oppo A76 on the 4G mobile data, and the performance was even better this time. I ran a few apps for 30 minutes each on 4G. For example, I got 4% drain on TikTok, 3% battery drain on YouTube. WhatsApp video call took away 6% battery, and similarly, video recording for 30 minutes drained 6% battery. Even online games like PUBG did well. In 1 hour, it drained 11% battery. Those who are good with this game may notice a little higher battery drop like 12 to 14%, which is also above average in this league. Normally, video recording in apps like TikTok consume more battery power, but we found Oppo A76 handling them very decently. By the way, PUBG runs on HD graphics only. I had no major problem while playing it. I could run it comfortably. The phone did not heat up also. As I told you, Oppo A76 feature Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 inside with 4 A76 cores and 4 260 silver. You get 6GB RAM on it, but you can extend it by 5GB more. With this expanded memory, it can reach up to 11GB, which is huge. So this CPU and RAM combination can really boost the performance. And I also noticed it when multitasking on this phone. One thing I like about this phone is it doesn't get messy. Though we are getting a rare silicone cover out of the box, but this matte finish surface is helpful in this area. But at the same time, when light falls on this surface, it glows but doesn't get dirty too easily. And this special coating also makes sure it doesn't get scratches on it, which is cool. On the front, it's a punch hole display. Right here on the top left, A76 features a punch hole, and inside you have a selfie camera of 8 megapixel. Rest is a 6.56 inches display. It comes with 90Hz screen refresh rate that you can alter from inside the setting area. You can keep it at auto for a longer battery life. It gives us a 720 into 1612 pixel resolution. You can also switch between vivid and gentle colors mode here. I like the vivid as it gives P3 color gamut and more colors on the screen. I can also see screen color temperature here. Default is good for me, but if you like the warmer colors, take the slider to warm. Loudness and sound quality are good in this price range. The sound through this bottom firing speaker doesn't irritate at all when it is full, and it is more than enough for a small room. The phone features a dual camera setup on the rear side with 16 megapixel main lens and 2 megapixel depth sensor. It can shoot 1080p videos at maximum. There is a night mode inside and portrait mode also. For selfies, this phone gives you screen flash option in the low light situations. Take a look at some pictures and video samples I have for you. So this was the unboxing and review of Oppo A76 from my side. Do share your opinion in the comments below and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Until my next video, Allah Hafiz.